So I don't know how much you guys can actually see, but welcome back. If you guys can't see much, I will do another intro. But we're on our way over to the shop. So if you were unfamiliar with the Civic build, which I'm pretty sure 90% of you are here for the Civic build, it was painted last night. I posted pictures on Instagram. Well, today I got to pick it up. I have to get it home, so we're on our way to go pick it up. So I have not seen it. I'm extremely nervous due to the fact is I did the body work, I did the jams, so you guys can follow along if you want. I did all the work that needed to be done, then I dropped it off at an old friend's shop who does body work as well, and he painted it for me. I'm getting a lot of water in my lines right now. It's this time of year, and I didn't want to have to do it twice, so I took it to him. Why am I nervous? Well, it's the first time seeing it since I dropped it off. So, is the body work good? Did I miss anything? You know, we've had the car for a year in the garage. I don't know, I could have missed something, and then I won't know until it's painted, and then, you know, it's kind of a disappointment after being so far into it. So I'm into the car for, oh God, I think about $800 in supplies just for the base and the clear. And then I'm into, well, we'll say all said and done, it's about $1,800 I'm into it for. So that's spray, supplies, you know, it's not cheap doing body work. So today I got to pick it up. We're gonna go see. You're gonna get the first look at it as well, and then I'm assuming that the bumpers aren't on it yet, the hood ain't on it yet. So I got to put all that together before it goes in the tow truck, and then we'll call our friend Scott who will tow it. So it's going to be a busy morning, hopefully an exciting morning, and we'll definitely get to check this out. So stay tuned, guys, and let's see what it's all about. Glass gets installed tomorrow, which is a bonus, and then we'll start assembling it. Now we got to finish the red SRT that's on the hoist, so we can start working on the Civic truck to finish it off. So there's a lot of stuff that still needs to be done. It doesn't run. We got to do the timing belt, head gasket, water pump, put the VTEC head on it, and then finish up the 5-speed and the turbo swap. Oh God, there's a lot of stuff, and we still got to build the back of the box. And then as we speak right now, we have the SRT, the big turbo SRT, the black one, in the paint bay, or in my paint bay myself, and I cut the quarter panels last night and put a couple patches in. The video should be up in a couple days if you guys want to check that out. So it's a whole bunch of stuff going on with a whole bunch of different cars, and it seems like it's overwhelming, to be honest. So we're almost at Kevin's, and then we'll be able to check this out. Okay guys, here we are. There's the car. Let's go over this together. Look at that. So there is a little dirt. You might be able to see right there. It's gonna have to be buffed out. Up here you're gonna see it's a little wavy, but we have covers for that. I never did any body work up here, you'll realize that. But the corner cabs through here all look good. The roof looks really good. There is some dirt here and there. This whole car is gonna have to be buffed. The fenders, like, the color looks gorgeous. You look down the side, it's actually really, really straight. I'm very surprised it's as straight as it is, but mind you, I did go over it and over it and over it and over it and over it. Come to this side. Going down the side of the car. Look at the body lines. Whew. You'll see what I'm talking about right up here. You can't really see it in here, but there is a cover that covers the whole thing. First impressions are really good, guys. It turned out really well. Now it's basically untape it, get it ready to get it home, and then by the time it gets home, the back bumper will be on, which I'll show you guys. Tailgate on, we'll put the front bumper on, we'll get it home, glass goes in tomorrow. So let's just start disassembling. God, she's dirty. But like, look at, once it gets cleaned up, whew, you can already see it now. Just clean that up some so it's not as dusty, and then like, look at it. Color is gorgeous. So front end is done, window is done, passenger side is done. We'll get the driver's side and the rear done, get the tires back on, and then we can get the back bumper on and tailgate on. I can't wait for that part. There you have it. We have it on tape. We're going to put the tires on, jack it down, put the bumpers on. Now when it gets home, this is going to be the next thing. We didn't paint that back part because it's going to be bed lines. I'm going to show you. The bed line's probably going to go to about here, down, and then we'll put the sides on bed line, put the fake floor in. Should look good, give it a little bit of contrast with the black, and then we'll have the carbon fiber bed line covers here, or the rail covers going across. But the bodywork is really good, surprisingly. I'm actually was quite nervous. I just can't get over the way that looks. Like, look at the even like the upper parts and stuff. Man, look at the ice on here. I don't know if he's gonna get too far. I think that might be good. Here I'm complaining about ice and I almost fucking ate shit. So, it is home. Plan is to drop it here, we'll open the door, we'll winch it in, and then yeah. I do have to say, having that winch in the garage makes life so much easier. So we've got the car in the garage. I'm gonna wash it to get the salt and crap off of it, and then I can't really start putting it together till Jeff gets here. And we got to finish the SRT, so it is getting buffed Monday, so it needs to be together for Monday, so we can cut and buff it. So I think for now, what I'm going to end up doing is washing the car, and then I'm going to start getting it ready to get together for buffing. So I got to put the door handles in, the body moldings in, all that fun stuff, and then the glass gets installed tomorrow. So if you guys like this, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We do have the Civic truck, the big turbo SRT, You do see the neon Roadster in the background collecting dust and a couple other fun projects, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good one, and I'll definitely catch you on the next.